Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Gen reading for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can go start reading. The information in the description box below. Don't forget it's Gen reading. If it's not resonating, please don't try to fit it unnecessarily. Let me see what's in my beautiful Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. Please tell me what's in my beautiful Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. Please tell me what's in my beautiful Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. Please tell me what's going to be give me my card. And what's in my beautiful October. Taurus, a lot of you guys are feeling really stuck right now. A lot of you guys are focused on your finances. A lot of you guys are sort of realizing that your life is not picking up the kind of pace that it should. A lot of you guys are feeling really, out of alignment, I can say. And a lot of you guys are really willing to do what it takes to change where you are at this point of time. For some of you, love-wise, your sense of security has sort of gone for a toss. Some of you are sort of deciding to walk away from certain equations that make you feel helpless. Some of you are sort of just in that introspective zone where you are just wondering as to if you have invested your time and resources and energy in the right places. I do sense that sort of white Taurus. Some of you could be really planning to move places. I can clearly sense, Taurus, you're just in that mode wherein you want to change things up for yourself. Wherever you are, you don't want to be here. So you want to do what it takes, be it mental work, be it emotional work, be it materialistic work, to really not be where you are. I do see that happening. Please clarify the Hermit. Please clarify the Hermit for me. Clarify the Hermit. Magician. Give me one more card and clarify the Hermit. Taurus, some of you could also be feeling manipulated or tricked. Some of you could be feeling tricked and manipulated at a workplace. Some of you could be feeling maybe some business that you were a part of or your workplace. You could literally be feeling that people ganged up against you, or people you are sort of feeling that either on financial levels or mental levels, people are playing with you on a deeper level. And you are really trying to figure out, or you're really trying to crack their game. I do get that message for some of you guys. Please clarify, why is Eight of Swords in reverse? Why? Ten of Pentacles. Give me one more card. Eight of Swords in reverse. For some of you Taurus, maybe some of you were really tricked in some situation, and you sort of feel that there is a threat to your wealth. There's a threat to your finances. There's a threat to everything that you ever worked hard for in some way, and a lot of you could be feeling really low about that. A lot of you could be feeling like that this shouldn't have happened, or a lot of you could be really feeling low about these things. Maybe whatever trickery that has happened to you, somebody that you were close to, maybe a partner, maybe a business partner, or maybe a group of people that you've been working with. I do see that you have sort of realized that for a very long period of time, some people were really not for you, even though they pretended. They were not for you. They were probably just pretending, and they were being around like fucking snakes, and they just pretended to be around you because of the benefits that they got out of you. And now the same people are sort of being toxic basically to your wealth, to your presence, to your existence. And this is something that's certainly giving you a lot of turmoil. Can you please clarify? Please clarify Eight of Pentacles. Please clarify Eight of Pentacles and King of Cups. King of Cups and King of Pentacles. Yes, Taurus, see, a lot of you guys are questioning your value system at this point of time. A lot of you guys are really trying to understand yourself on a deeper level. A lot of you guys are trying to really trust your, fix your trust levels, and you're realizing that you shouldn't trust on people too soon. So there is a lot of emotional revolution happening for you guys, Taurus. I do see that, a lot of you could be reading a lot of self-help books. A lot of you are really deliberately trying to bring about a change in your emotional thought process, because you've realized that you've not really played your emotional cards well. You've not really managed to attract and keep the right kind of circle, the right kind of partners who you can rely on, who you can trust on with your wealth, health, and mental, emotional health. So some of you are hitting that realization, and that's really making you bring about certain changes in your personality so that you do not attract the same kind of people again. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the feelings of the person that you guys are dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button. Please dive deep into the emotional personality. Please dive deep into the emotional personality. Oh my God, I think I'm going to well, Taurus, for some of you, I'm sensing that whatever trickery that has happened with you, it's got something to do with your partner. It's got something to do with your, with the person that you guys are dealing with. For some of you, I'm also getting a message that this person that you guys were dealing with was only taking a lot away from you financially and was involved with somebody else. And now that you found out this really deep dark truth, it's sort of bothering you. So for some of you, I'm getting that message. You could be dealing with a Leo. You could be dealing with another Earth sign. Could be another Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Could be a fire sign too. Could be Aries, Sag, Leo. Could be any sign as far as element go. Leo is quite prominent over here, guys. What I'm sensing, Taurus, is that on some or the other level, this person now knows that you know. Like, for the longest time, this person knew that you don't know. This person knows that you know. This person knows that, that they were involved in sort of like being disloyal and tricking you on really massive levels. And this person is silently really planning to move on without making much noise, without really not creating much ruckus or fights, This person is silently planning to move on. This person is silently withdrawing themselves from this equation because they have found out that you have gotten to know their game. Oh, okay. Please tell me where Zero of Cups here. Please tell me where Zero of Cups here. I can see Taurus. I can see very clearly that this person is also realizing that they have fucked up with they have done wrong things to a very great human being, and they have tricked somebody who they shouldn't have at all. So on a very mental level, this person is feeling extremely drained about it, and this person doesn't know how to come to you and apologize. This person doesn't know all of those things, and that's why you could be feeling this person is silently removing from this equation, but this motherfucker is going through massive guilt. I do see that this person is going through really massive guilt. For others of you, I'm also getting a message, Taurus, that the person that you guys are dealing with could be involved with another person, and this person is moving away from one equation and taking step forwards to another. I also get that message for some of you. Please clarify Three of Pentacles in reverse for me. Please clarify Three of Pentacles in reverse. Please clarify Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, Taurus, I'm getting this message very loud and clear that this person literally tricked you on legal levels, on emotional levels, on mental levels. This person was absolutely involved with another party, and now they just want to escape basically. They just want to escape this. Uh, I want to clarify why it's Two of Wands here. Please clarify Two Wands. Please clarify Two Wands. Give me my card and clarify Two Wands. For some of you Taurus, I can clearly see that this person that you guys are dealing with, was involved or is involved with a third party. This person was all this while involved with a third party and was with you for all of these reasons. This person just was extremely selfish and only thought about themselves. Uh, For some of you Taurus, this person could still be trying to make you believe like they care, like they didn't do this intentionally, or like they're all about you and they want to continue this. But do not believe them. Do not buy their bullshit. Um, in a nutshell, this person is definitely feeling defeated because you cracked their game, and this person does realize that they have fucked up with you on very deep levels and they manipulated the shit out of you. This person is aware, and at the same time, I do see Pisces, I do see Taurus, that you guys are dealing with somebody extremely manipulative. You guys are dealing with somebody who doesn't really honor the, you know, honor the whole thing, like honor emotions or honor, when people are really ready to do like a lot for them. So you were dealing with somebody like that. You were dealing with somebody who absolutely took you for a ride, and I don't see. This person knows this. This person is only feeling guilty because you have gotten to know. In this reading is resonating with you guys. So, for some of you, this person could have triggered your financial levels, being involved with someone else. For some of you, this person was just involved with someone else and was, really pretending to be all yours. And now that, now that their cards are literally open on the table, they are not really good with confrontation. Fair enough. I want to find out the outcome. If the reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button and I will find out the outcome for you and your person. Or maybe for just you, I don't want to find out about them. Please give me the outcome for my Taurus Sun Moon Rising for the month of October. Please give me the outcome. Give me the outcome. Taurus, the month of October, see, you guys are definitely going to be feeling stuck. You guys are going to be feeling left out in cold. You guys are really going to feel the chills of, this manipulative demeanor of whatever the person that you guys are dealing with. But guys, what I love about you, I love the fact that you guys take your best lessons out of the worst situations. You now, see what beautiful thing you guys are doing. You're again getting back up. You're again, really igniting the fire that you hold within. You are freaking reading and understanding and extracting all the best emotional lessons that this has to offer. This situation that got you into your rock bottom, what you're doing right now, what you're going to be doing. Again, you know what, Taurus, again, Mercury retrograde is going on. Everything is going to come on surface. Everything is going to come on surface. Everything that was hidden from you will come out. It has come out. What I love is that you guys are being fair. You guys are dealing with this. Like maybe, beneath, maybe emotionally you guys are going to be feeling fucked up. You guys are going to be feeling really restless. But I do see that you guys are making efforts in the right direction. You guys are igniting the fire within, again catching up with your passions, again really chasing what you always wanted to do in life. You guys are becoming much more wiser emotionally. You guys are, really equipping yourself with the right tools to deal with any sort of emotional equations. You guys are basically doing the fair things for yourself, guys. Taurus, I do see the month of October, you guys are going to be extremely self-absorbed. For all this while you were helpless, you were not really, you were not really able to, use your skills and not a situation. What you guys are going to do now is you guys are going to really pump up and, ignite the fire within and really come out of this gracefully. This phase has a lot to offer, guys. I hope you make the best out of it. If it resonated with you, please let me know in the comment section. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching.